some good pumpkin rice. When last you eat some delicious pumpkin rice? If you're interested in this one, come let's make it together. Alright, we're gonna use half to cut up and half for grate. I cut up the pumpkin, cut off the skin. Half of the pumpkin. You don't have to cut off all of it. If you want pumpkin for throughout the rice. Set these aside. Why everything fly all over my place? Bird off, it's a manta. I guess you have to lay low. Lay low. I wonder if this has too much pumpkin for 1 pound of rice, because I'm not cook more than a pound of rice. And the more pumpkin, and the more the rice I go. Sorry. Onion. Thyme. Scallion. Going in with a little olive oil, not too much, just a little, along with a piece of butter. I will melt down that. I will melt that down. To that we're going with some garlic. And just saute that a little. And then we're going with the onion and scallion and thyme. Alright, so we'll allow this to break down. Cups of coconut milk. So there is a pack of or pack coconut milk. If you have the natural coconut, that's best. But this is what we're working with. Alright, so that we're going with pumpkin. Just combine everything nicely. You can't tell me when I cook my bread. I don't know why my mood can not happen nothing. The spirit just not live. Alright, so just I make this. Give this a minute before I add anything. For the part, we're going to add our coconut milk. We're going to add my pepper, a few pimento seeds. Alright, so we have a pack of pumpkin flavor soup mix that I'm gonna use. You can use all-purpose seasoning, you can use salt, but I'm going with the pumpkin flavored mix. I'm just gonna add some water to that. Give that a mix. Allow the noodles to settle, and then we're gonna pour it off in the pot. Then we're gonna just pour off this. Combine. And when we come back, we're gonna taste it. Once the pumpkin then cook, we're gonna taste it, make sure it doesn't need no more salt, and then we add our rice after. Cover that, make that go and do its thing. We allow the pumpkin to cook. Alright, we'll go in and check. Pumpkin then cook. Alright, let's taste it now and adjust the flavor. Put there and alright, this gonna take a little salt. Alright, I'm also adding some little black pepper. Try use the white pepper, you know. Oh Lord. Combine this. We're gonna taste it again. Alright, perfect. We're gonna wash the rice and come back up, add it to it. I'm working with a pound of rice, so we're gonna wash it and add that to the pot. Okay, alright, so now we are going. We'll combine this properly. Guys, this is one thing you have to do. Make sure the liquid is only an inch above the rice. If it's too much, remove it from the pot. Cover this and allow that to steam. Once it starts bubble, turn it on low and let it do its thing. So once you find the pepper, you can freely go in and fluff it. Alright, release all that steam from your rice, so you can achieve a nice shelly rice. Alright. We're going to give this 5 to 7 more minutes and then we'll come back. Come see what I got. Alright, this is it. Alright, so if you made it this far, thanks for watching. And guys, I'll see you in another video. Bye.